Good morning. Out here for another day of pheasant hunting. I have this entire giant field to myself. Why is nobody out here? Oh, that's probably because it's 2 degrees right now. Freezing. So we'll see if any birds even want to fly today. But I got the whole field to myself. That's kind of nice. So we'll see how it goes today. Gus. Already one here. Ah, no bird, Gus. No bird, come on. Come on, Gus, no bird. Wow, that was 2 minutes into the hunt. Good job, Gus. Good job. Go see if there's another one. Gus, get over here. We're going so far. I hear a birdie. Oh, there's one. Come here, Gus. Gus, 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 Gus. Gus, here. Gus, here. Gus, here. No. You need to chill. Go get it, Gus. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Good boy. Bring it here. Come on. Oh, geez. Ah! What the hell? Oh my God, not again. Come on, Gus. Bring it here. Unreal. Come on, Gus. Yeah, no. Oh my God. Okay. Time out. Time out. Everybody take a time out. This is getting crazy. And now I got a jam gun. Unbelievable. Frozen. I know there's another one around here somewhere. I watched it run down this trail. I am sweating so bad. Oh, one in here. Somewhere in here. No, maybe. Maybe no. No, maybe yes. Oh my God, this gun. I can't. Come here, Gus. Come here. I can't believe this. Is it too cold for my gun? This is crazy. This is why I usually bring 2 shotguns. I would be heading back to the truck to grab a different gun. So that pump is really good for the winter. Gus, hey, stay by me. You need to stay close. You only get 1 shot apparently. Where are they at, Gus? Huh? Where are they at? Jesus. Okay, no bird. No bird. Well, come here. Come here, Gus. This is how I have to hunt now. Shoot, replace, shoot. Are you after something or what? Gus, you got me sweating, man. You gotta slow down. I know there's probably birds all over in here, but holy crap, dude. I can't even keep up, and I'm sweating. Come on, lady. I gotta try to keep up with him. Try to get a bird in range. Oh my God. I seriously, this is the craziest he's been. He won't slow down. There goes 2. There goes 3. Let's watch where they go. They're still going. He's getting too crazy today. I don't know what's gotten into him. I don't know if it's because of cold weather. He's just keeping moving, not overheating, but this is getting insane. I can't even walk slowly through all this stuff, take our time. It's just a constant run. He hasn't stopped for a break. He hasn't stopped for water. Gus, here. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Gus. Okay. Gus. Okay. We're good. Ah, shit. No bird, Gus. No bird. No bird. I should have taken that shot, but the way my gun has been, I did not want to miss. I wasn't close enough. There we go. Bring it here, Gus. Good job. Bring it here. There's another one right down here. Bring it here, Gus. Hey, my gun racked another shell in. Bring it here. No, lady. Lady, no. Good. No. Good job. Good job. Go find that one. Go, lady. Go find a bird. There he goes. There it goes. No bird, no bird. No bird. No bird. Good job, Gus. Gus is still working. Come on, hey, hey, Gus. Here, we're done. You are insane today. We're all done. Holy cow. That was a crazy hunt. I probably got icicles all over my mustache. But this was one of the most intense, crazy hunts I've had today. Gus, I don't know what his deal was today, but he has not slowed down since we got out of the truck. He's never been like this. I don't know if it's just because the scenting's really good because there's moisture on the ground. There's a lot of birds in the area, but holy cow. I'm glad I got my limit just because I'm exhausted trying to keep up with him and run after him when he's getting birdie, and it seemed like he was birdie the entire time we were out here. So definitely a great hunt. But we're all done now. We'll try again next week sometime. See you in the next video.